Let's learn how we can start using Sora and create fake videos of ourselves.
Oh, Sora 2, it's real. Let's go. It's actually happening. This is the best day of my life. I can't believe it. Yo, we waited forever and now we got it. Sora 2, let's go. Oh, Sora.
It's pretty crazy. It's pretty crazy. Welcome back, y'all. In today's video, we're going to be checking out Sora, which is the new AI doom scroller. We can basically doom scroll all artificial intelligence. We're going to create a profile. We're going to create some prompts, and we're going to create little cool videos of me doing some pretty crazy stuff. First things first, let's navigate through the platform. If we come over here, this is going to be the global feed. So you have a For You page, following, top, and latest. I want you to think of this as very much the TikTok for AI, which you've probably already heard a ton about. Let's jump to your own feed, which is the really cool part here. So we're going to go ahead and, as you can see behind me, there's already stuff going on, but we're going to generate one really quick here. So assuming we have allowed for access on our feed here, we can simply put in our profile, which is my cameo here, and I can have myself doing anything. So let's get a little meta here. Corbin Brown giving a tutorial on YouTube on how to use Sora. I'm gonna hit enter, and we're gonna let this start generating. We'll go ahead and do another one here, but one really important thing I want you to note is the settings right here. You're probably going to want to opt for portrait, as you see behind me, rather than landscape, but you can choose either orientation for your videos. Now, another feature that is super cool of Sora that's going to be basically blowing up your group chat is you can add other people that you follow. So for example, I can do myself and Sam Altman here, and we can create a video together. This alternatively could be you and your friends as well. So we'll do me and Sam Altman running away from zombies, and then we can actually reference Sama again here. Trips me. Or actually, no. I trip Sam. But this is how fun it gets, y'all. We can really get creative here. We can add more people as well. Generate. While those generate, let's check out some other features about Sora here. So I hit cameos. What you'll notice is that this is every single area that your little avatar, or quite literally yourself, has been included in, such as me and Game of Thrones.
Before the ravens reached us before sunrise, the capital burns. If we wait, the realm falls with it. Gather the riders. We leave before the moon climbs.
We leave before the moon climbs. Keeps going down here. So these are every area that you've ever been tagged, essentially. So here's another creator that tagged me.
Sora 2 doesn't need a second disc. They crammed everything on one and it runs fine.
Runs fine for you, maybe.
So what you'll notice is that, obviously this is the video, but you'll see I am tagged right here, and I laugh because this is a pretty funny video, and I'm in the video itself as well. Also,
My phone. I'm in the club and I'm not wasting a second. AI's writing my code right now. Look at this. I just asked for a login screen. Boom. It's building it in real time. This is not real time.
so you can do a ton of crazy stuff, y'all. Coming up here, you can actually see as well the drafts that people have your cameo in. So I click this, and we're going to react to this a little later. We can see the different drafts. So for example,
whoa, smells amazing. There's a chicken cutlet stand out here. And look at that line.
Best one around.
Guess that's a good sign.
Unoriginal?
Yes, please. Here you go. So crispy. That's perfect.
It gets crazy. Another question you might be asking is, Corbin, how many can I generate a day? It looks like the range is between 50 to 100. So you can do a ton of generations on your profile. They've kind of deprecated the whole credit system that they had originally, which I like. So if I come back over here though, let's learn about stuff we can do in the actual feed itself. This is pretty unique to Sora. And before we jump to the feed, if you want to make a Sora video with me in it, I'll put it in the description down below, but simply just put @Corbin Brown and let's do something fun. All the cameos that I'm tagged in, I'm going to be reacting to in my Twitch. I live stream every single day, 4 to 7 p.m. PST. Make sure to be there or be square. Description down below. So one thing we can do in our feed, so let's just scroll down here. For example, we got the dog here.
Good, just put it in park for me. You know why I pulled you?
We can obviously comment on it, but we can also do things like remix it. So if I click the remix here, I can add something to it. So this could be anything. I could put like a unicorn in front of the car, or I could be like, I'm on top of the car. Anything. You can even at yourself again. So boom, remix. Now here's what's really cool. You can actually see other users' remixes, and you can see right here there is 20 remixes of this. So for example, I click here.
Afternoon, that's good. Just put it in park for me. You know why I pulled you?
That's the idea here, and we can actually just keep scrolling through other remixes that other creators have done. If you're wondering how I do that on the phone, how you get a remix, you simply go to one of them, and you get a swipe. Crazy stuff. Now it's time to check out the prompts we made earlier.
After you
First one.
Let me show you how to use Sora to borrow and read an ebook on your phone. I've got the app open here. After you download it, tap it and sign
It's not 100% accurate. I needed to maybe give more context to what Sora is.
in with your school or Google account. In the search bar, type the title you want. I'll look up Gatsby, then tap the cover. Hit bar. Let me show you how to use
So after watching something like that, and you're like, you know what,
Let me show you how
this is no good. You can simply come up here to 3 ellipses, and we can delete it. So bye-bye. Don't care. Now this one looks hilarious. So this is the one with me and Sam.
Closer, keep running.
I'm trying. Whoa, hey.
Sorry.
Are you serious? Go.
Move.
Don't ever do that again.
Just keep running. Closer, keep.
Okay, so what's really cool is you can see it takes my cameo here It has the jacket and the shirt I was wearing that day. So if I like this, and I'm like, this is good, I could post it. So I simply hit post and it'll go to my feed. And if you want to share or download, 3 ellipses again, hit download, and then shares right here. Copy link or download. So you got a pretty good idea on Sora now. Check me out at Corbin Brown. Throw me all your good old cameos. And as you already know with these types of videos, make sure to leave a like. It's completely free. And I'll see you in the next Sora